soldier. I don't know what that means. Hopefully, I think is what it said there. Timothy?
Yes?
I'm reading graffiti.
I see that.
I don't understand what these words mean.
Some of them are weird, huh?
Yeah. Oh no, not that. I just saw the S word on one of the tanker cars.
Yeah, that happens.
Rest in peace, someone. AWOL, don't know what that's short for. PFFP. I don't know how you're supposed to say that word. Venor.
Good thing you're recording it in slow motion, huh?
No.
No?
Because, we're not gonna be able to play back the footage of these tanker cars because we'll have it on the drone.
Oh. I thought maybe you just watch it to be able to read it. Never mind.
Well, I watch it if we don't have the drone in the air. We don't want to read the graffiti if we have the drone in the air. Woke something. Oh no, that's the end already! Dang it! Dang it. Oh! How fast?
33 miles an hour.
110 cars and 2 engines.
No, 3 engines.
3 engines. Oh.